Hello, salut, honneur. My name is Marie Fouché. Today's book on Marika's bookshelf is based on Cookies Week by Cindy Ward, illustrated by Tommy DiPaolo, published in 1988. The book describes what the mischievous cat named Cookie does starting on Monday, and then the result of that mischievous action. It moves throughout the week, and when the book comes to Sunday, the cat decides to rest. The concept of patterns is demonstrated, and the kids can become the author of their personal activities. Let's listen to the Creole story. Semenn Mimi by Marika Roumet, published in 1993, illustrated by Lloydie Vertus. Lundi, Mimi tombe nan water. L'eau gaye tout partout. Mardi, Mimi jete porte-fleur qui était sous rebord fenêtre là. Te a gaye tout partout. Mercredi, Mimi capote boîte fatra. Fatra gaye tout partout. Jeudi, Mimi kole nan yon tiwa. Casserole bon mak vaisseau yo gaye tout partout. Vendredi, Mimi couri rentre dans placard avant porte la ferme. Radio gaye tout partout. Samedi, Mimi grimpe rideau yo. Le sa Mimi dégringolé tout partout. Demain c'est dimanche. Peut-être Mimi va reposer. Sans penser de histoire ça. Moi souhaiter ou t'apprécier li. Retourner pour une autre histoire. Na ouais.